In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Shopify POS in just under 5 minutes. Managing your inventory efficiently is an essential part of running a successful business, especially when you're using Shopify's platform. It helps you keep track of what you have in stock, prevents shortages, and ensures that your customers can always find what they're looking for. Let's dive into how you can do this using Shopify POS. First things first, let's open up a web browser on your computer or device and type in the Shopify website. Once there, head over to the Login section. You'll need to enter your user credentials, just like when you access any other online account, to gain entry to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main Shopify admin page. From here, you'll notice an array of options. What you'll want to focus on is the Products section found on the left-hand side menu. Click on Products and then navigate to Inventory. This is where all the magic happens in terms of tracking and managing your items. Now, in inventory management, things can get a bit more detailed if your store has multiple locations. If this is your case, you'll want to make sure you're adjusting inventory for the correct place. You can easily do this by selecting your desired location from a drop-down menu that should appear at the top of the inventory page. This step is crucial because it ensures you're making inventory adjustments to the right stash of products. Be sure to double-check this to avoid any mix-ups. Next, let's talk about how to make adjustments to your actual inventory. Scroll through until you locate the specific product or variant that requires a quantity update. Whether you're adding new stock or noting that you've sold some items, you'll need to adjust the numbers accordingly. Shopify allows you to do this quite intuitively. Click on a product to reveal options like Available or On-Hand quantity. If you're simply correcting by a specific amount, click Adjust By and enter the number you want to change. Remember, you can use negative numbers to subtract from the total, which is handy when dealing with sales or damages. Finally, after you've made your adjustments, it's time to finalize the changes. Scroll down to find the Save button. A solid click here saves your updates, ensuring everything is in order and up to date. Always make sure you hit Save, as leaving the page without doing so means your changes won't be recorded, which could lead to discrepancies later on. That's it, folks. You've just learned how to manage your inventory in Shopify POS in a few simple steps. By continuing to keep your stock list up to date, you'll be on the right track to providing excellent service and running a smooth operation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.